Petron BaseBuds Pro. First time connection. If you are connecting for the first time, take both the earbuds out of the charging case, wait for the left earbud to pair with the right earbud. Now once you see the blinking LED light, you're ready to pair. To turn off the earbuds, you can do it manually by pressing and holding the touch-sensitive panel on both the earbuds for 5 seconds, or directly place the earbuds in the charging case. BaseBuds Pro also supports auto pairing. After connecting them for the first time, now whenever you take the earbuds out of the case, they will auto pair with the last pair device. The earbuds can be used in both mono and dual earbuds mode. Instead of taking both the earbuds out of the case, you can only take one earbud. Now you can take call with only one earbud as well as listen to music. Voice Assistant support. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by tapping 3 times on the touch-sensitive panel on any of the earbud. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, just simply tap once on the touch-sensitive panel on any of the earbud. To disconnect an active call, tap once on the touch-sensitive panel on any of the earbud. If you want to reject an incoming call, then press and hold the touch-sensitive panel on any of the earbud for 2 seconds. Music controls. To play and pause a soundtrack, tap the touch-sensitive panel on any of the earbud. If you want to skip to the next soundtrack, then double tap the touch-sensitive panel on the right earbud. To go back to the previous track or repeat the current track, double tap the touch-sensitive panel on the left earbud. Charging the case. To charge the case, plug one end of the Type-C charging cable in the case and connect the other end to a computer or a wall adapter. The digital LED display will show you the battery percentage available in the charging case. Charge the case till it reaches 100%. Troubleshooting scenarios. One earbud is not working. If one of the earbud is not working, then place both the earbuds in the charging case, take out both the earbuds together, then wait until left and right earbud connects to each other. After successful pairing, only one earbud will show you flashing blue and red LED light. Now turn on the Bluetooth of your phone and connect. Earbuds not connecting. If you're not able to connect to the earbuds, then restart both the earbuds manually, restart your phone, and after that, search for Petron BaseBuds Pro in your available Bluetooth device list. Earbuds disconnecting during call. If you're facing disconnection of earbuds during an active call, then check the battery percentage. Usually your phone shows you the available battery in your Bluetooth device list menu. Or you can simply restart the earbuds manually and pair them with your phone again.